professional can help you track all of your checklists across your different system packages. Did you know that you can use those checklists as a template and a boilerplate for similar checklists in the future? Let's show you how. If I go into one of my system packages and I view my checklists, I can see for the different hosts here, I have multiple different checklist types. Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Windows Server, Windows 10, Windows 11. If you have other devices that will require these same types of checklists, and you put out an image or a common VM or something along those lines every single time, you can use these checklists here as a starting checklist to automatically put out when you deploy your image. To do that, go into your checklist, download an appropriate version, CKL or CKLB. Now we can use that to upload as a template, edit, change, even lock vulnerabilities, and then have that as a starting checklist when we deploy as we get that device into the rotation for different scans that are automatically uploaded and tracked over time. If you go under templates and upload a new organizational template, you can put in the title, description, and the file here of what we just downloaded. So we had downloaded a Windows 2022 server state checklist. So let's put the title and description in there. Title, description, upload file. Now we can go into our templates and look at this one right here, default Windows 2K22 server checklist we just created. You can see it already has details in there and you can change that if you want to. But it has a lot of the different vulnerabilities already filled out. Not a finding, not a finding, not a finding. You can go through and edit more if you need to, just like a normal checklist. Any organizational checklist here can be tracked accordingly. Set that as not a finding, blocked. Put in your details, your comments, whatever you want to do. You can even edit and change this organizational template as a regular checklist here before you ever use it. So this is your boilerplate. This is your starting point when you deploy a new Windows 2022 server. You'll start with this, and then you'll put that device, that server, into the rotation to get scans and update that accordingly, however your cadence allows. So let's show you how to use it. If I go back to my packages, I can use the same one in there, or if that's a default one for other ones, I can use it in any one of these other system packages. Anyone across any system package can use an organizational template as they desire. So let's say I'm going to put this into the corporate engineering lab. This works the same regardless of your system package you're deploying it into. So I'm going to choose checklists, create checklist from template. That's what we just made. Organizational. There's the two we showed earlier. What I can do from here, I can actually select this checklist right here, create checklist, fill in the host name, MAC, address, marking, comments, tech area, asset type. I can choose all of this. So now I've selected all my information here, including my host name, classification. You can do this through the GUI. You can also do this through the API. Now I'm going to click Create Checklist. So it said it was made. Let's go back into our listing. And there it is right there. Windows Server 2022, 892.7. This is the same one that we just used as a template, a starting point. We just injected the host name. And if I look at the details, I can see what I selected. You'll also notice any locked vulnerabilities are automatically included, and all the not a finding status and everything else was done. This information right here now is added to the total system package checklist score, so that was updated. You also have any items that are either open or not reviewed added to the plan of action and milestone automatically as well. You can do this with any of the DISA checklists, any of the custom checklists, any other CIS checklists, over and over again. If you have a boilerplate system that you want to start off with known good information, use your organizational checklist. What that gives you is a way to automate your cyber compliance faster. It also gives you structure, and it gives you repeatability across one or more of your system packages based on that checklist type.